When your Westinghouse heated blanket displays an E or EE error code, it's indicating a specific problem that needs your attention. This error code means there's a problem with the power supply or connectivity. The controller isn't getting enough electricity to properly heat the blanket. The most common cause is a loose or faulty connection. Let's look at what this might look like and how to check for it. Now let's walk through the initial troubleshooting steps. First, turn off the blanket by pressing the power button, then unplug it from the wall outlet. Next, carefully inspect all connections. Check that the controller is firmly connected to the blanket's port, and examine the power cord for any signs of damage like frayed wires or cracks. After inspection, reconnect everything securely. Make sure the controller is firmly plugged into the blanket, then plug directly into a wall outlet. Avoid using extension cords or power strips, as they can cause power issues. Finally, turn the blanket back on and check if the error has cleared. Many users find that simply ensuring a secure connection resolves the issue completely. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved the E or EE error, the next step is performing a complete system reset. This clears any internal error states that may be causing the problem. The waiting period is crucial, as it allows the blanket's internal circuitry to fully discharge and reset any error conditions. After reconnecting, test the blanket to see if the error has cleared. If the reset doesn't work, test the blanket in a different electrical outlet. This helps determine if the problem is with your home's electrical supply rather than the blanket itself. Next, carefully inspect your blanket for any signs of physical damage. Look for burn marks, tears, exposed wires, or any darkened areas that could indicate overheating or electrical problems. If you find any physical damage like what's shown here, stop using the blanket immediately. Damaged heated blankets pose serious safety risks, including fire hazards and electrical shock. If troubleshooting steps haven't resolved the issue and there's no visible damage, contact Westinghouse customer support. They can provide technical assistance and help with warranty claims if your blanket is still covered. If your blanket is out of warranty and cannot be repaired, or if there are safety concerns, it's time to consider replacement. Don't continue using a malfunctioning heated blanket as it poses fire and electrical hazards. To prevent future errors, follow these maintenance tips. Regularly clean the plug contacts with a dry cloth. Never use the blanket while folded or crumpled, as this can cause overheating, and store the blanket properly when not in use. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps should resolve most E or EE error codes. Remember, safety is paramount when dealing with electrical heating devices. When in doubt, consult professionals or replace the unit.